everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Yarrow Point, where the richest live. So this home that we're going to show you, it was just completed. It sits on the 18,000 square feet lot, and the interior itself has almost 7,000 square feet. Huge home, very, very luxurious. And of course, the front yard, you have complete privacy. There's a door right there that can close, and you can drive your vehicle right in front of the home. And the front yards have material landscaping. So the home has a lot of modern and traditional Pacific Northwest designs. It has stone and then cedar shake on the top. And of course, it is kind of a European style that is like a box. So all the rooms inside is very spacious and very bright. Let's go and check it out. Love this 8 feet hardwood door, really nice. Okay, let's go inside. Wow, look at that! 2-story high ceiling, and the main floor is already, I don't know, 12 feet high. So this is super, super luxurious. And you have all the windows on this side, great natural light. And of course, my favorite part is those stairs. It's actually see-through, floating stairs. So if you're afraid of height, might be a problem, but I love it. And here is the living room. So the living room is, again, so spacious. Great window view of the community on this side. And then you have this focal point of the fireplace, and you can hang your TV here. You can put, couches, chairs. Great place for family get-together and having parties. And here is the gourmet kitchen that I love. So I like the color of the quartz. It's actually really nice quartz that covers all the island. It's like a waterfall design. And then, of course, they have all those cabinets that matches the color of the countertop. And then I was paying attention to this. This actually is the built-in ranch hood that has kind of a design in it. I love the yellow color. I don't know whether it is very practical, but I love to look at it. They also have a second kitchen that I want to show you. So a lot of my clients from California, they were like, okay, Maggie, you don't have second kitchens here that much. Well, there you go. This is the kitchen where you can put all your stuff that you don't want your guests to see, or you have a nanny cooking right here. Great Wolf appliances as well. And then this built-in fridge is huge. Look at that. Awesome. And it is also very practical. It has more storage in this walk-in pantry, and I love another fridge here, of course. You will never have enough fridge. And here is a very cozy but spacious dining area. So love the light fixtures, by the way. I mean, only a 8 million home can have some design like that still looks normal. And of course, this area is so spacious. You can easily fit in 15, 18 people, a long table right here. And of course, they have this preparation area where they have those design tiles that I really appreciate. Beautiful shelves and a lot of lights in this room as well. Great place to have wine, have dinner with your friends and family. And of course, every luxury house needs a wine cellar, and here you go. I love the design because it is so close to the dining room, and of course you can control your temperature right here, and you have a lot of shelves for your wine right here. More storage down below. This is a very practical and luxurious design. From the kitchen breakfast area, this is a great extension of the interior. So you have the covered patio all the way to the end of it, and you have lights and then heaters, everything that you ever need outside. And they also have this gas fireplace, so very cozy area. You can put your TV here. And then on this side, of course, a very professional griller. So you can definitely have barbecue parties here, a lot of space, and a ranch hood. So easy cooking. This is the third ranch in this house. So after looking at the whole public area on the main floor, I want to show you the guest suite. Of course, every MN home has a guest suite. This guest suite is one of my favorite because it is private and it's so spacious. So coming through, this is the privacy that, you know, nobody will see you. And you come in, this is kind of like a living room area, and the bedroom area is on the other side. So this is very spacious. They have a fireplace right here. If your parents live in here or guests, they can enjoy their privacy, you know, and they don't need to bother anybody out there in the public area. And here is kind of like a bar area, more storage, and you can put your wine or your drinks right in the fridge. And then you also have a separate access from the backyard, so very convenient as well. And here is the bedroom area, very quiet. And you can put in a king-size bed, 2 nightstand. Of course, this is like 12 feet high ceiling, very spacious. And you have a big window on the side, so guaranteed natural light. And here is the bathroom. A lot of luxurious design that I appreciate. This is a heated floor, very comfortable. And then they have this floating cabinet that has the motion sensor light. So, you know, if it's at night, you wanna use the bathroom, you don't need to turn on the light. And here is a very luxurious, huge shower room. I love the design. There's, you know, kind of a seamless design all the way to the wall, and then they have tiles all the way to the ceiling. Very luxurious as well. That is all for the main floor. Let's go up for the 4 bedrooms and the 4 baths. So coming up from those floating stairs, now it welcomes you with this super wide hallway. Because this is see-through railing, so you feel more spacious standing right here. And of course, you would be able to enjoy the view of the front door, your front yard, and a little bit view of the neighborhood. And here is their official office. So this room is very unique. It's not very big, but it has this glass French door that I really appreciate. And the color of this office is very dark. It's a complete contrast of that really bright hallway. So you come in, you are like, okay, it's time to work. Welcome to the primary bedroom. So I really enjoy the design of this bedroom because when you walk in, this is a very spacious kind of a foyer of the bedroom. You cannot see any messy bed, you know, any private stuff. You can only see a beautiful foyer. And I really like the color of the wall that, you know, has the dramatic design of the floor. The dark green is my favorite color. Really appreciate that. Here is the primary bedroom. So the feeling of this primary bedroom is spacious, luxurious, but also very cozy. You can fit in a king-size bed right here, 2 huge nightstands, however size you want it. And then on the other side, this is a gas fireplace with a beautiful stone decoration around it. So of course they have windows on 3 sides of the room, good natural light, but also it has great lighting on the top of this bedroom. So it creates that cozy feeling as well. And then on this corner, you can put in, you know, couches or chairs, or you put a TV here, whatever you want to put here. It's very spacious as well. And I really like the design of the wall because it has more millwork than other bedrooms and also has this beautiful wallpaper. And by the way, wallpaper is coming back. And this is one of the best designs that I've ever seen. Really love it. And let me show you the primary bathroom. So again, Heated floor, very luxurious design. And at this corner is a standalone bathtub that has this beautiful curve design that I really appreciate. 2 windows, one of them you can see the lake from this window. Great privacy and great view. And of course, on this side, you have a floating cabinet and then light underneath. And then this huge shower room, they actually have a kind of a, couch-like design on the side. I really enjoy it. Great luxurious design. And then you walk in, this is another room I think all the ladies will be crazy about. This is a walk-in closet. So they have everything, the mirror, the light, and all the shelves for your very beautiful and pricey shoes and bags. And of course, they have this island, more storage for you. Whether it has a safe, hidden, I don't know, but you can definitely add it. And here is the laundry room. That is also one of the brightest room in this house. It has the sink and all the storage on the side, 2 sets of washer and dryer. And of course, it connects to the walk-in closet for the primary, so it's very convenient for the owners. So on the other side of the laundry room, here is a great gym room because this house doesn't have a basement, which is great. So this is actually on the top level and you can enjoy this professionally designed flooring for all the gym and great space for all the workouts. And here's another room that I really love in this house. It's so spacious, it's a bonus room. You can make it a media room, of course. They have this wet bar with sink and then the wine cellar and of course, microwave. So for your popcorn and everything, you can make it here. Or you can put a pool table here, make it a playroom, however you want to do it. And here, through those 3 big windows, you can see the backyard from here. And I think this is a better view of the backyard. So on the main floor, this backyard is actually a little bit higher than the main floor, but here you can actually see the view of it, and it has great privacy as well. So now we're on the rooftop of the house. Oh my God, look at the view. You actually have views of the lake here and there. So different kinds of view, but it feels so peaceful on this rooftop. And it's quite spacious. You can actually fit in a lot of people here. If you want to have a big, summer barbecue party, you can definitely hold it here, a much better, cooler space than the main floor. And then also it has the water and gas already connected, so it's very convenient for you. After looking at this home, I really appreciate the layout of it because it's a 7,000 square feet huge home. But after walking through it, I don't feel like it is that huge. I don't mean that it doesn't feel huge, but it's a very practical design. So we walk around, it actually has all the public area centered together and all the bedrooms are very square, very huge, but it feels nicely designed. And of course, I really appreciate the design elements of it, the color of the wall and the tiles, and even that beautiful yellow ranch hood. I cannot forget about it. Again, appreciate Brian and Steve giving us this chance to showcase this home. I know you guys turned down a lot of video taking opportunities for other agents, so we really appreciate that. If you like this home, the home is now on the market at $9 million. If you love it, give me a call. I will show you around. I'm Maggie. See you next time.